What's up guys? So this is the latest Insta360 GO 3S. New features, new lens, and lots of great updates. Roll the intro. So this is a tiny but mighty little action camera which is quite jam-packed with lots of great interesting new features. So today I bring you straightforward 12 new exciting features of the Insta360 GO 3S. And there are quite a few major updates in this new model. So starting off with the first cool feature. So the Insta360 GO 3S supports Apple Find My feature. So you can integrate the camera into your existing Apple Find My network and then track its whereabouts at any time you like. So even with the camera completely powered off, you'll be able to track it. Even if you undock it from the action pod, you will still be able to track it. So the camera basically stays on in the background in a very low powered mode, so you can track it from your iPhone at any time you like. And considering how small this camera is, I think it's a great and useful and surprising new feature to have. So next one is 4K video recording. So the GO 3S has an upgraded lens, so we can now shoot 4K at 30 frames per second, which is quite a boost in resolution. The previous model, the Insta360 GO 3, could shoot only 2.7K max. So most welcomed 4K video recording, and the video quality is absolutely beautiful, detailed, crystal clear looking video, super stabilized, buttery smooth. So this camera also features flow state stabilization, and you have different levels of that stabilization depending on what type of video you're going to shoot. And on standard mode, you can see super smooth stabilized 4K video being filmed on the GO 3S. Absolutely amazing. And at number 3, I'm happy to let you know that photos have also been upgraded from 7 megapixels to 12 megapixels. So more megapixels usually means more detailed and better resolution photos. This is a nice update as the past 2 generations of the GO series cameras have only had 7 megapixel photos. So now we can take even better looking photos and selfies. Most welcomed update. And at number 4 we have Easy Switch. This is another brand new feature which lets you switch recording aspect ratio by just flipping the camera from vertical or horizontal, depending on whether you want to film a vertical or horizontal shot. However, this easy switch only works before you start filming. So once you start filming and you tilt the camera, it will maintain the initial aspect ratio. At number 5, we have a brand new field of view called Mega View, which will expand the field of view, giving you an ultra wide angle at 4K 30, so you can take some breathtaking ultra wide shots with less vertical distortion. And I have been testing Mega View a lot, and I like it so much that that is the field of view I have it set on by default, and I haven't felt the need to change the setting, so it's on Mega View by default for both photos and videos, and I really like the results. Okay, so best new feature number 6, we have something called interval video, which smartly turns your GO 3S on and off in set intervals, automatically filming across any time period that you choose. And this special mode is ideal for a long day out where you just want to capture pieces and then you can just stitch it all together afterwards. So you select all your preferred settings and activation modes, and then the process will begin automatically once you switch off the camera. So the camera will now switch itself on automatically and record video with your chosen resolution, duration, and set intervals. And you know it's recording when you see that orange light. So stick the camera anywhere you like, including on metal surfaces as the rear is still magnetic, and record yourself some cool looking 4K 30 videos using the new interval video mode. Alright, so next up, number 7, we have gesture control. So the GO 3S can now recognize gestures from up to 1.2 meter distance. So the peace gesture will take a photo and your hand gesture will start recording video. And if you show the hand gesture again, it will stop recording the video. So it's a great new feature to include, and I have used it a lot already. Very useful. Now number 8 is not really a new feature, but it's still really awesome to talk about. The Insta360 GO 3S has a multi-functional action pod, which has a 2.2-inch touchscreen on the back, which you can flip right over to shoot your own vlogging videos. The action pod will also charge the GO 3S, and you can also use it as a remote viewfinder / remote control for live preview. The action pod is the same size in dimensions as the last year's GO 3 version, so nothing changes here. You're getting the same great action pod included with the GO 3S. Now number 9, waterproof certification has also been upgraded. So the Go 3S camera itself is IPX8 waterproof up to 10 meter depth. Last year's model was waterproof up to 5 meters. So Go 3S has its waterproofing upgraded, but please note the action pod remains IPX4 splash proof. So action pod cannot and should not be submerged in water, but the Go 3S camera itself can. Number 10, we have voice control 2.0. So this camera has been upgraded with 2 mics, one located at the top and the other one is located on the front sides. To activate voice control, swipe down, select settings and toggle voice control on. Now you can say things like take a photo, start recording, stop recording and shut down camera. Here's a quick example. Take a photo. So you saw that we were actually in video mode and it automatically switched the mode to take a photo. Now let's try video. Start recording. So it switched from photo mode to video mode automatically based on the voice control. Now we can stop recording as well. Stop recording. Shut down camera. So pretty awesome upgraded voice control. Now at number 11 we have instant app preview. So if you shoot a video, as soon as you finish filming, a notification is sent straight to your phone, ready for you to preview and edit instantly. And finally, number 12, we have Insta360 smartphone app itself, which is a comprehensive app handling everything from transferring files and supporting both Android and iOS. You've got a vast library of editing features along with impressive new AI features, and you now have auto editing, which pulls your clips together automatically, adds music and cuts, letting AI do all the hard work for you with pretty impressive results. So there you have it guys, the Insta360 GO 3S. This is the most powerful and most advanced camera from Insta360's GO series of cameras. This is an amazing, versatile, feature-packed action camera experience that you can take with you anywhere you like. Having 4K video recording in an Insta360 GO series camera is an absolute dream come true, and the stabilization is so smooth it's almost too good to be true. So super smooth, buttery smooth stabilization, and the audio recording also sounds vastly improved over the previous gen. Now this is literally a tiny filming studio in your hands with a vast number of editing and AI features. Battery life is also very good and the camera charges up pretty quick too. So that concludes my video of the Insta360 GO 3S. If you want to see more of my latest and greatest unbiased tech reviews, hit the like button, sub to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.